Hey guys, so I have a bit of a problem. Deadlift Zombie does not rise up all the way. I'm gonna go ahead and show you right now. And the eyes are acting weird too. You can't tell me that I'm gonna have to send this in to be repaired again. Man, I know this is an old prop. I know it's from 2009, but still, it still pisses me off. Come on. That means 2 animatronics that are being sent in to be repaired. I actually already sent in the Creepy Caretaker, because the lantern illumination is fried. So I sent it in. To somebody to get it repaired. I'm gonna have to send Deadlift in too. Bruh.